Hello again folks, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're focusing on following our player around in Unity. Before we dive in, remember that the link to the fantastic bundle for just $23 is in the description below. It's packed with assets that can significantly elevate your Unity project. Let's dive in. First, we're going to experiment with making the main camera a child of the player. It seems like a straightforward solution, right? Let's see how it works out. Here, I'm attaching the main camera to the player as a child object. Now, when we move the player, the camera follows, but there is a catch. As you can see, the camera also takes on the rotation of the player. It's quite a dizzying effect and not really what we want for a smooth gaming experience. To solve this, we're going to change our approach. Instead of directly attaching the camera to the player, we'll create a follow camera game object. Here's our camera pointing at our player. The idea is to position the follow camera exactly where the player is, then make the main camera a child of this follow camera. This allows us to maintain a fixed distance and angle from the player, which we can adjust for zoom and different views. Back in Unity, let's create our follow camera game object. Right-click in the hierarchy, select Create Empty, and let's name it Follow Camera. Now we'll need a script to manage this. Let's go to our scripts folder, right-click, select Create C# script, and let's also name it Follow Camera. Let's drag the Follow Camera script onto our Follow Camera game object. Let's open the Follow Camera script, and here, let's serialize a variable, so serialize field. This will be a private variable of type transform, and let's call this player transform. Under the update method, we need to set the current transform of the follow camera, so transform dot position to the player dot position. Okay, now that we have the script written, let's go back in Unity, let it compile. And here we have the follow camera. Let's bring the main camera on top of the follow camera, so we make it a child. And under the follow camera, we need to drag and drop the player into the player transform. Now that we have that set up, there is one more thing I want to change. So if we go under player, nav mesh agent, we have a speed of 3.5, which is quite slow. So let's go up a bit and go to 8. Now, if we click play and move the character, we're gonna see the camera is following the player without rotating. So that dizzying feeling we had at the beginning of the video is not there anymore, right? And that's a wrap on setting up our follow camera in Unity. We successfully configured the main camera to smoothly follow our player, striking the perfect balance between following the player's movement and maintaining a consistent view without any of the dizzying effect we saw earlier. Today's journey was all about enhancing the player's experience. By introducing the follow camera game object and adjusting the main camera, we've created a more immersive and dynamic environment. Our camera now elegantly tracks the player, providing a stable and engaging perspective for our game. Looking ahead, we're about to dive into something really exciting in our next video. We're going to step into the world of animations. We'll be importing a mage character from Mixamo and setting up a blend tree with some fantastic animations. This will bring a whole new level of depth and realism to our game, so you definitely won't want to miss it. Before you go, remember to check out the amazing bundle we mentioned earlier. You can find the link right in the description. For just $23, this bundle offers a wealth of resources, perfect for enhancing your game development process. It's an incredible deal that can help bring your game ideas to life. Thank you so much for joining me today. Your support and the enthusiasm for our tutorials are what keeps us going. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Unity development content. We've got a lot of exciting stuff lined up and we're thrilled to share it with you. Until next time, keep exploring the endless possibilities in Unity and stay tuned for our next tutorial on character animations. It's going to be a fun and informative session, and we can't wait to see you there.